Welcome to another episode. I'm still in Mexico in Mazatlan. Aaron is still in Indiana with his family. I'm here with my friend Lindsay, and today we're going on a boat out to Deer Island to do some snorkeling. Hopefully we see some cool stuff. Let's go. Unaware that it was also like an hour boat ride, just like diddling around. I don't do very well on boats. I don't feel good, but I'm on land, so we should be good to go. We got banana boats, we got kayaks, and we got some snorkeling activities. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro and hopefully I can fly the drone here. We'll see. We're gonna get on the banana boat. It's just two of us. Okay. Despacio, por favor. Más despacio. That was fun. It was fun. Private tour of the ocean. Now it's time to go snorkeling. I successfully launched the drone. It was only my second time flying it, and I did it. So cue the drone montage.
Vacation life is for us.
We'll just stay here in Mexico forever.
If we don't get back on the boat, we'll just float here forever.
We'll live off of coconuts.
And the dogs will be our best friends.
Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
Oh, I had fun too. Bueno.
Viva Mexico.
So we made it back to the hotel. Now we're just gonna spend the rest of our last day lounging by the pool. Lindsay's gonna drink all the margaritas she can muster.
All the margaritas.
All the margaritas. And then we have to leave tomorrow. It's so sad.
I'm not leaving tomorrow. This is what SeaWorld should be.
The best part of Mexico is all the guac you can eat.
Remember when we used to talk on the phone?
No.
And we'd just be like,
so annoying.
We would literally just be like, we'd be on the phone at each other's houses because our moms were like, you guys can't hang out together every day after school and just walk in and take off your bras and sit in bed. So we would call each other on the phone and we'd be like, hello? 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 And we'd be watching the same TV show and we would just go, hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh my god.
Hello? You don't remember that?
Yeah, I do. And
Okay.
then it would turn 9 o'clock and I'd be like, it's bedtime. Bye.
Yeah, duh.
Don't ever call me again.
Oh,
Good times. had so much fun. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe button and leave us any comments down below. We'll see you next time.
I was on a plane to California. I had all the time I'd ever need. Did you even know I was looking for you? I think that I was hiding in between. How long did you wait for me?
Oh yeah! Yes! I got work out in my legs! Like a jellyfish. It does look like it. No, it's an onion. Shark.